So what is up, guys? I'm gonna be teaching you how to make, look at this, my 2 option vending machine in Mini World. In some part of the video, you might hear noises in the background, but don't just worry about that. Yeah, it's my little brother Sky. So just don't mind about it. To build a personal machine, first you need 64 emeralds, and you need 4 any kind of door, but make sure there's no window on a door. Then you need 2 wooden trap doors, 2 buttons, 1 chest. No, it's not a trap chest. See? It's a chest. This is a dropper. 3 droppers, 10 hoppers, 6 redstone dust, 2 bookshelves, 64, 2 kinds of food you want to pick, 1 redstone comparator, 3 redstone repeaters, a block of your choice, and for decorating, you need a piece of glass, item frame, a sign. And then if you're wondering why is there dirt here, and that is when you accidentally mess up. But it's optional if you accidentally mess up a little. So should we start? Wait, first need to wait until it's morning and we can do the tutorial. Okay, since that is in the chest, I accidentally exited. And let me help. Let's place this in my bed. What did I just do? So, now, let's get to it. Let me break the chest. Now, that's all the items. First, let's build the basics. First, where you want to place it, which I'm gonna do it here. Dig down 2 blocks like that. Then grab your chest and your hopper. Place your chest there. Remember, if you do that, you will be accidentally clicked on the chest. So you need to crouch or shift and place your hopper pointing down to the chest. Then here's where you're going to need these things. You need first place your comparator right there, right? Then place your redstone repeater right there, right? Then place your redstone there. Then place your redstone there. Make sure do not break this block. Break this, right? Then place another that. Then let me I'm about to forget it. So count 1, 2. Dig down 2 blocks. So if you do that, 1, 2, then dig down 2 blocks here, right? Then you just do that, right? So that's correct. Oops. So let's go back here and look at the model. So if that goes on like that, we're supposed to grab one of our droppers, make it face up like this, then grab our hoppers. Wait, that hoppers is going to be for later. Grab your block of quartz or any kind of block that you're going to use. Then try to make like your what's that? Do it like this. Next to this hopper, place a block next to it to the left. Then extend 1 block there. Then this is where the important part is. Grab your bookshelves, stand them up like that. Then place some glass here. So that's going to be your picking machine. So then wait a minute. Does this look? Oh, I forgot. That's really awkward. Also, I forgot one thing. You need a piece of stair. Then you grab your dirt. Make sure to make it look like that. Look up. Make sure to make that one look like that. Right, like that. Then you place back your dirt there. Place your bookshelf. No, not there. Like that. Grab your glass. Stack up like that. Then grab your sign. Place it here. Then you can type whatever you want to. Type whatever you want to place there. But I will just do mine. Guys, there's a problem when I do this. Look, if I type, look, it keeps on copying it. There. Like that. That's okay. Then, grab your building block. Then, make sure to copy this one right here. So, do it like this. Make sure it looks like a half of an iron golem, but on the right. Then, stack it up like that. Now, place your item frame. Yeah, like that. Then, place your two pieces of the one you want to sell. Then your buttons. Then now we need to start the mechanism. If you want me to the mechanism, we already did the mechanism. Now we need to do the mechanism of the two options. So make this hopper go into there. Break these 3 blocks. Unless there's make sure it looks like this. Then make a what's that? A hopper face this dropper and connect these 2 hoppers into there. Also, you need these droppers here, not facing like that. So make how do I even like that? Then stack up, count it. Remember to crouch. Shift 1, 2, 3. So if we count to 3, make sure your droppers are facing this way. Make facing this way. So first, this hopper here and this hopper, you need to connect these 2 more hoppers into those hoppers like that. Make sure it's facing there. So when the button gets activated, the items or the one you're going to sell on the inside will transfer to these 2 hoppers. These 2 hoppers, right? You get it? You get the point? These 2 hoppers and go down here and go to that dropper there. But if you pay, it will send the redstone signal. This comparator is important when it detects how many materials are inside or many items are in the dropper in there next to the chest. So that's where you're gonna get your money from. So it powers up right here, goes into a black thing, goes here, powers this up, and gets your you get your yeah. Now time for the details. Let's grab our doors, trap doors. Let's first place them. Make sure to look like, if you're in survival, you should do this. that, right? That's the refilling system. So if you just open this, you can refill those dirt. And next, this way, you just do like that. And place a wooden trapdoor there. Then crouch, then place a wooden trapdoor up there. So, see, it's similar to it. Now, you can use your carpets and string. I'm just gonna use carpets since you can't use let's use string and any type of carpet you wanna use. You can use slabs if you like, but I'm just gonna use slabs or maybe a carpet. I'm just going to use gray carpet. So make sure to place a string there. So that if you place it there, you crouch, place it next to the hopper, last hopper up there, then place it there, then go on, then crouch, and fill up those last ones. Right? Then over here, you're done. So let's test them out, but we need to refill first. Up here, since this is up here, that's my cookies. So let's fill this up with my cookies. Yeah, then let's close it up, then place my pumpkin pie inside here. Then close that up, make sure no one tries to steal it. Then you need something for this. You need another chest to sort your items here in mini world. Because in mini world you can't sort your items in one. So first, pick what do you want? A pumpkin pie or cookie? I'm gonna go with pumpkin pie. See? Now it goes into that dropper. So now throw in this. Then you get your pumpkin pie! Woo! See, I told you. And it also works with cookies. But I'm just gonna place this here. And then you just do that. Then let's grab first. Let me grab another emerald there. Then exit it. Click my cookies. Throw in another emerald in there. Then you get your cookie. See? It works. Woo! Is that cool, guys? See? I told you about my creation. It's really cool. So, this was really good. So, let's go to the bloopers, shall we? So, let's do this. Huh? Get out! Get out! My video! Get out! You're interrupting my video, you big bit! So, that was an outtake. I'm sure that one was really, really fun. So, bye guys. This is really fun. It's actually one of my machines that I made. Look, see? Say hi. Bye. Bye. So, one more time before I leave. Remember, do not that. You remember to place a block here because someone will might have destroyed. Remember to place some kind of block here so that no one will be able to break the hopper and to get your money. Yeah. So bye. Woo.